as Russia has been pounding Ukraine's critical infrastructure, leaving many around the country without heat in the dead of winter. President Donald Trump says he asked Russian President Vladimir Putin not to target the Ukrainian capital as the region experiences frigid temperatures.
I personally asked President Putin not to fire into Kiev and the various towns for a week, and he agreed to do that. And I have to tell you, it was very nice. A lot of people said, don't waste the call, you're not going to get that. And he did it, and we're very happy that they did it.
And weeks after the U.S. ousted then Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro, the skies are opening up.
And I just spoke to the president of Venezuela, informed her that we're going to be opening up all commercial airspace over Venezuela. American citizens will be very shortly able to go to Venezuela, and they'll be safe there.
The president's Secretary of War discusses Iran, which faces the threat of U.S. military action in response to the killing of demonstrators and over possible mass executions. The president also demanding no nuclear weapons and insisting on a deal.
Same thing with Iran right now, ensuring that they have all the options to make a deal. They should not pursue nuclear capabilities. We will be prepared to deliver whatever this president expects of the War Department.
Hours before the cabinet meeting, President Trump posting on Truth Social, Jerome Too Late Powell again refused to cut interest rates, even though he has absolutely no reason to keep them so high. Then, as the meeting was underway, the president tells his cabinet next week,
we're going to be announcing the head of the Fed, who that will be, and it'll be a person that will, I think, do a good job.
And as negotiations continue to avert a partial government shutdown when money runs out Friday, this update.
Hopefully we won't have a shutdown. We're working on that right now. I think we're getting close. The Democrats, I don't believe, want to see it either. So we'll work in a very bipartisan way. I believe not to have a shutdown. We don't want a shutdown.